What's up guys, Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of these white gloves, as you can see right here. So basically come in this package, in this bag right here, which not really great packaging, but you know, I'm just gonna test the same way that you guys see if this is the real deal. So right now I'm just gonna try them out guys. So these are all that you can basically see right here. So as you can see, so this is the material. This is basically how it looks, as you guys can see. So the material is not really the perfect, but you know, it still can do the deals. Just gonna try it on and see if it fit perfect, as you guys can see right here. So I basically was gifted this to do a review of it, so I'm just gonna give you guys my honest opinion. So I'm just gonna put it on right now guys, so that you see how it basically fits. So if you right out there, just want to juggle some white gloves on your hand, whether it's for a special occasion, whether it's for domestic purpose or any casual wear, so or in your suit, anywhere you wanted to wear, basically where you wear white gloves for. So this is basically how it looks. It look really great on my hand, but all thing though, you can basically see my hand through it, because the material not really that thick, so you can basically see the texture of my skin right there. I'm just gonna try one more, and I think these can wear on both hands. Let me try this one right here. So they're gonna fit on my left hand as well. So basically easy to slide on. You can see that these guys, the reason you have a lot of them in here, because the material on this is not so strong, so you can basically wear them if you want to throw them away, or you want to keep them, or you can wash them and reuse them if you basically want. So as you can see, this one fit perfect on my hand as well. So sometimes when I'm doing unboxing videos, I can basically wear these, which is really great if you are into that type of stuff. So whenever I'm doing my unboxing, I can basically, if I don't want to show my hands, my skin, I can basically wear them. But for now, I'm just going to try them out, let you guys see how these basically looks. And to me, they're perfect, and basically rock them to do that sort of things. So let me know in the comment section if you guys find this video very helpful. And remember that guys, link for this is down in the description if you want to grab up a few of these. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.